So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Red, and in today's video we are going to learn about the most amazing thing. You guys are gonna love me after this hack of AutoCAD. So what happens, you are working in AutoCAD and then you sometimes forget to save it and you accidentally close it right over here. So I am going to solve that problem for you forever. You are going to love me. You are going to share this video to every architecture friend of yours. It is a very simple hack. Just press the right mouse button, go to this options with a green tick right over here of options. After that, go in this open and save. This is a option dialog box. Go in the bar of open and save options, and then from your file safety precautions, under the file safety precautions there is an option of automatic save, which is right over here. Just select this uh, select this checkbox, press apply, and specify a time. Let's say I want 10 minutes, and then you just press apply and press ok, and you are all set to go. AutoCAD will itself save your file every 10 minutes. You don't have to worry about that anymore for the rest of your life when you are using this software, AutoCAD. And if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.